All right, hello everybody. We're gonna do a craft today, and it's gonna be a chicken. So I'm in the Chicks and Salsa book, packet, and we're gonna rip out quite a few pages. Okay. We are going to do this page, which is the tail feathers. That's the first one. This is our beak. We have a wing and a crest. The rooster's body. I guess that's rooster, not a chicken. Excuse me. Rooster's body. And the page that says Chicks and Salsa. So there's 5 pages to rip out. When you've got those all ripped out, come back to me. You can mute if you need to. Or not mute. Pause. Okay. I'm going to start with my rooster's body right here. It's supposed to be white. I don't need to do anything to it. I'm just going to go ahead and it looks like a heart, right? I'm going to pick one of these hearts. Heart-looking things to cut out. Doesn't matter which one. Alrighty, there's my body for my rooster. The next thing I will do is, I think I'll do the tail feathers next. So that's the first page we ripped out with all of these little, I don't know what this shape is, these tail feathers. And they can be whatever color you want them to be. You can make them rainbow color. You're going to need 4 of them. Okay, so you can pick 4 different colors. You can draw cute little designs in them. Whatever you want to do, you need to color in 4 of these tail feathers. I'm just going to color them 4 different colors. You could color them all the same if you want. It's totally up to you. You don't have to color in the lines. You're going to cut these out. All right, there's my 4. And I'm just going to go ahead and take some time to cut all 4 of those out. There's 1. Two. 3. 4. All right, pause me if you're not done. I know I cut those pretty quickly. Next, I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to glue one on at a time. Doesn't matter which order. Remember, you just did these however you colored them, however you felt like. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on this blue one, and I'm going to put it at the top. You know, I'm not putting it all the way on the top of my heart. It's kind of like sticking off to the side a little bit, but near the top. Okay. Next, I'll do my green, and I'm going to stick it just behind, so like the blue is a little bit on top of my green one, so they overlap a little bit. Next, I'll do orange, and I'll put it behind the green. And lastly, I'll do this red one. Put it right there. So they're all a little bit overlapped. there's my tail feathers. Looking pretty cute. Next, I'm gonna move on to the wing and the crest. So in my example that I have on the computer, it shows them being red. This is like the little hair. The crest is like the hair that would go on top of him. And then it's the wing. So really there's no right or wrong way to color this. You can do it however you want. Obviously a rooster's wing is not actually red. I'm gonna do it like the example does, I think. I'll color it red anyway. You can color them whatever color you choose. You just need one of each. This oval is gonna be the wing, and then this is gonna be the hair. So I'm gonna cut both of them out. When I cut out the wing, I'm not gonna cut across this line, okay? I'm gonna cut out the whole oval. This line is actually gonna be a fold. I do not need to cut that fold, or that line. So I did not cut the line on my wing. And there's my crest. Pause me if you don't have those cut out yet. If you are ready, I'm going to take his little hair, put some glue at the very top, and I'm just going to stick it right up straight off the top of his head. So this is like his eye. Hopefully, I'm sorry I didn't say that earlier. Hopefully you didn't put the eyeball in the back. If you did, you could just draw another one up here. Not a big deal. You could pretend that he's got a spot on the back of him. And then, okay, so for the wing, I'm going to go ahead and fold it. So I'm folding it on the line. And you know what I think I might do? So it's supposed to be like this, so you can see the wing. I think I might actually color it on the inside too. It's up to you whether you want to color both sides or not. If you color both sides, then when it flaps open, you'll be able to see it, the color, that is. All right, so I'm still just gonna fold that on the line, and then I'll be able to glue down this side of the wing, stick it on his body. So I just put glue on one side of that fold, and now this part flaps like a wing. Last but not least, you have the beak. So when you're ready, you can pause me if you're not, but when you are ready, I'm gonna take the beak and you can color it yellow or orange, whatever color you choose. I have this orange color. Okay. I'm just going to cut and cut and cut again and cut again. There's my beak. And you know, the same thing goes for the beak. So the beak is going to be folded and it's going to come right here. If you'd like the inside of your beak to be orange or yellow or whatever color as well, you could color the inside of that rhombus shape the same color. I think I might color it orange. Alrighty. So I folded it on that line. I think I'm gonna put the glue right on the rooster's body so that I don't get glue all over my table. And I'm gonna make my beak be like sticking off of the face a little bit. So I didn't glue the whole bottom side of the beak, just That's why I put the glue on the rooster and not my beak there. And there's your rooster. Cute, cute. Lastly, on this Chicks and Salsa page, I want you to go ahead and cut one of these rectangles out, and you can write about your favorite part of the book. Okay, you can just say, my favorite part was, tell me your favorite part. And that's it. I love him. Give your rooster a name. Let me know what the name is when I see you again. All right, bye.